Hello web designers. Today I'm going to take you through how to get started with Project 8A using that repl.it website. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to navigate over to our Blackboard website, and you'll notice that we have this zip file here for Lesson 8A. We're going to go ahead and download that, and we'll choose download. Alright, so now we're going to transition, then we're going to tap on the download button and tap on the zip so that we can unzip it. So within that folder now we can see our index and style as well as our images folder. Next thing that we're going to do is head on over to the repl.it website, and we're going to tap on the plus button in the upper right hand corner that says New REPL. Choose the HTML, CSS, and JS file, and I'm going to call mine Kaminar 8A. And I'm going to create. Please make sure that you're logged in, ideally with your school district Gmail, but make sure you're logged in so you still can save it and have access to it. Alright, so this is a blank repl.it that has an index, a script, and a style.css file. Alright, but I want to replace it with the stuff that I just downloaded. So I want to make sure I can see the three dots in that left-hand panel, so I'm going to tap there, and I'm going to choose Upload File. And I will browse, and then I need to figure out, if I browse in my downloads, I'm going to find that lesson 8A, and I'm going to tap on index. Now keep in mind that index.html was already part of that repl.it package, so I want to put the new one in, so I'm going to tap on replace. Then I'm going to tap on the three buttons again and upload the file, browse, and I'm going to find my style.css. Again, I want to replace it. Alright, I now need to create an images folder, so I'm going to name it with a lowercase I for images. And then I'm going to upload some files. It looks like upload folder doesn't work super well with the iPad, or at least I haven't had any luck with it. So I'm going to have to upload these images individually. You might notice that right now they are not going into the actual images folder, so we'll have to slide them over in just a moment. I know it's kind of tedious with this setup, but at least we can still keep going and learning. Alright, so I'll grab all of those images, and now I will slide them by long pressing on each image and slide it up into that images folder, and see how it's indented underneath that images folder. That indicates that they are part of that images folder, and you can double check that, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. There we go, all of them in. If you tap on the little down arrow next to images, you'll see that they all disappear. Okay, so that's a good way to tell if you have all of your images in the correct spot. Alright, so now I'm going to tap on index.html. I'll slide that over, and I'm going to tap on Run. And this is the starter code for my project. Now for this week's lesson, we're working on 8A, which is a tutorial straight from the textbook. So you're going to be following along with 14.1, 14.2, and 14.3. Once that is finished, and you can tell if you're finished by comparing your picture to the picture at the end of 14.3, otherwise check out the student handout to make sure you have everything done correctly. Once you are done, you're going to tap on the share button and grab the share link. You will copy that and then head on over to Blackboard for the Lesson 8 link submission. You'll fill out your name, what project you're submitting, paste in the link to your project, and then anything else that you might need me to know in order for me to grade that project. Please reach out if you have any questions. I will see you online. Bye.